Hi friends, using WordPress you can create a perfect business website. In this video we are going to create a website for digital marketing or SEO agency. So if you are targeting any such website, continue watching this video. Or if you are willing to create a website for another business, you can explore other themes. This channel has 1000 plus WordPress resources, so I'm sure you are definitely going to get your target website theme, plugins, and resources. And in this video, we are going to create this wonderful website. So we have three options for SEO or digital marketing agency, and the theme that we are going to overview is called Digitax. It is a dedicated theme for SEO and digital marketing agency companies or services. It has been developed by OVA theme, and we have already used some themes coming from OVA, and they actually make wonderful WordPress theme. This theme particularly came into existence in 2019, and the regular updates for this theme is also going on time to time. So let us proceed for creating this wonderful website. And I must tell you, this theme has got 5-star rating reviews, so it had been liked by the existing users. I have this core installation of WordPress, and I'll show you the theme pack that you'll get from the video description link at themeforest.net. In the theme pack, I have this core theme, the main theme file, the child theme file, some plugins. You can see here, and the licensing, the demo part and all. So we are going to use this digitax.zip. To install the theme, we can simply go to the appearance section, and I must tell you, I'm using the WordPress optimized hosting plan. This is cPanel based hosting plan. This is a very reasonable price hosting that you can avail at WP Themes website. Again, you have to follow the video description link. Okay, let us proceed, and don't forget to subscribe this channel, because if you are anyhow connected to WordPress website, you will find everything for your website here. Okay, so go to the themes, click on add new theme, and here select upload theme. We have to choose the installable theme file, that is digitax.zip, and click on install now. Installation process has always been simple with WordPress, but yes, you have to follow the exact steps that I am following so that you may install the themes, plugins, and everything in a very proper manner. Theme has been installed successfully. We can go to the theme page. We have Digitax as another theme option. We can check details further. This is version 1.1.5. As on date, this is being the latest version with me. When you will order the theme from the link at the themeforest.net, you might be getting an updated version depending upon the availability. And the theme is going to cost you $59, but when you are following the video description link, you are going to get an added advantage. You can join the iCreate program for free, where you can connect with a mentor for completing your website in every manner. And in this way, you are going to get a perfect and successful website. Yes, successful. So explore how it can be. So just follow the links. And now I'm going to activate the theme. Upon activation, I have this alert that we need to install certain plugins. Let us see which plugins are here. 9 plugins. I can see here. Elementor is the page builder. Contact Form 7 as usual. MailChimp for email subscription. Metabox, one-click demo importer is also here. This is for case study section. OVA theme framework that had been developed by theme developer itself. Portfolio section. Visit importer exporter. All great plugins are here. All are required. We cannot ignore to install any of these. I'm selecting all. We'll try to install all these plugins at once. So select and install, clicking on apply. Let us see if it works. It will install all the required plugins in a single attempt. Just in case if it does not work, let us see if it works for this installation. And if it not works, we need to follow the install links available with all plugins one by one. And it is also a good idea to install plugins one by one to avoid any error during the plugin installation process. You have to show your patience on the screen until you are getting any message. So plugins are being, okay, wonderful. It hardly took 15 seconds as I can calculate, and we have all the plugins installed successfully without any doubt. All green marks are here. We can simply go to the plugin installer screen again, and this time we have to activate on the install plugin. I'm selecting all again, selecting activate, clicking on apply. This will activate all the installed plugins. All done. Come to the dashboard. Welcome page to Elementor. Cross this. We are back at the dashboard, and let us check how our website is looking. This is the website look, and now for creating any of these target website, we have 3 options as I saw. This one is really very professional, and I liked all the 3 layouts very much. So especially for SEO, and we can proceed for importing the demo content now. I'll find the option, and then I can see demo import data option is under appearance tab. Here is the option. We can simply click on import demo data. On the next screen, you'll find more plugins. Simply click on continue and import. It will start the demo content import process, and it is going to take a while. You have to wait on this screen. Don't hit the back button. Don't hit the refresh. It may take up to 5 minutes as I can calculate, but yes, depending upon the environment that you are using, it may vary. But yes, and let us see how much time it actually takes. I'm going to tell you. And meanwhile, we can check what is going behind the screen. We can open the media library in another tab just to check whether we are getting images. Yes, if we are getting images, as I got 29 images in just few seconds, it means the demo import process is going fine, and we can simply wait on this screen until we are getting any message. And this wonderful message, cooling message is here. Congrats, your demo was imported successfully. So it was a very smooth process, and I'm happy. Now I'm going to refresh first of all this page just to check how many media items. 133 media items has been included in the demo. Next, I can show you how many pages has been included in the demo. 35 published pages, and I can see all 3 home pages. And finally, I'm going to refresh this page to check our new website. And yes, so it is here, and it is loading in fact. So complete website is here, and as I said, the installation process remained very smooth, and now I can assure you that you can choose this theme. So it is really important to watch the video related to themes or plugins before you decide to purchase it, because you cannot hit and trial until you are buying the theme. And the purpose of such videos on this channel just to let you know how you can easily install the theme, what are the app options available, which plugins has been included with the theme pack, and how you can easily customize your website. So you can see all home pages had been supplied in the theme, and you can choose any of these home pages. I can see the permalink structure needs to be selected. So I'll go first of all to the permalinks in the settings. I'll choose the post name and hit on save changes. It will update the permalink structure, and now we can visit the site, and now a URL structure is corrected. Wonderful. Now I'm taking you to the backend very quickly just to show you what is available for customization. Portfolio section is to be handled from this portfolio link, and all the portfolio items can be edited here. If you are not using any of these, you are not going to edit any of these, so you have to delete all. And similarly, case study can be edited from this link, case study. Editing is going to be very simple. Simply click on edit, and it is editable now. And if you want to edit with Elementor, you might be thinking, why Elementor is not here? You have to enable the Elementor. So go to the Elementor role manager and choose the settings, and you can enable the case study or the portfolio wherever you want to use the Elementors. And further, if you are editing the case study, this can be now edited with Elementor. Simple, effective way to edit with Elementor. The contents are here. You can simply click on the respective area that you want to edit. Just keep in mind you have to use the same dimension of image, same length of text that has been used in the demo, so that you may maintain the design integrity of the website. Rest of things will be fine, and I believe it is going to be simple for you. And just in case, if you have any question, you can write in the comment section of this video, or join the iCreate program after buying the theme through the video description link at the themeforest.net. And even if you are not buying the theme from the link, you are welcome to join, but in that case, the program is going to be paid for you. Explore all the options. You'll get all the necessary things that you need for your website at iCreate. Okay, now I'll take you back again, and this time we are going to exit this page, leave, and I'll show you the rest of the option. So this is header builder, and you have to edit the header, whatever being used. To check which header is being used, you can simply open the page, the home page that you are using, and you can hover here. You can go to the respective header that you want to edit from this link as well. So header and footer is to be edited from this area. Next, I can see nothing is special, so I believe rest of things can be controlled under customize option, because there is no separate theme panel. Under customize, I can check. Okay, so rest of options are here, like typography, layout, header, footer, sites. Like in header, you can simply, you might be wondering where you can edit the logo or like. So you can simply edit the logo and the header area here in the header section. So it is really very simple. I don't need to show all these things to you. I was just targeting to show you the installation process and the available feature in the theme, that is Digitax. And now you can simply choose this theme. You are going to get a perfect website using this theme, of course. That is for sure. In the next video, I'm coming with more WordPress resources that you can use for your website projects. And till then, goodbye. Keep watching. Keep building. Thank you.